For Alicia Florrick, things are looking up until she discovers what's going down. The Good Wife, only on CBS. Tired of talking to your wife? There's an app for that.
You know that I'm not much of a talker.
Tired of sleeping with your husband?
You were right, lover.
There's an assistant for that.
It was the motion of the ocean.
New rules of engagement, CBS tonight. They say everything is bigger in Texas. And for 3 crews on a Texas oil rig, that includes the pressure, the profit, and the pain. Black Gold. All new episode tonight at 10, only on True TV and Comcast Digital Cable. Harry's had her share of cases. Kidnapping? Now that's a first. New Harry's Law, next Monday, 10/9 Central on NBC. On the job and in life, their secret is each other. Rizzoli and Isles on TNT. The people of Storybrooke have a secret. They just don't know it yet. There are 2 sides to every story. ABC's Once Upon a Time